Your card program should be a revenue source your institution can control and count on. But if you're not operating on the right card processing platform, you risk failing to stay on top of fraud and failing to meet your cardholders' expectations. Around the FI, when your risk officer Taylor is asked, "Are we able to monitor, score, and decision fraud in real time?" What's the answer? Or when your card services manager gets the question, "Can we put the control back into the hands of our cardholders to easily manage their cards?" What about your tellers when they're asked, "Do you offer cardholder reward programs?" Or your marketing department, "Are we working with the best analytics?" JHA Card Processing Solutions is a full-service transaction processing platform that lets you say yes. Backed by a full suite of fraud prevention, digital payments, loyalty rewards, data analytics programs, and 24/7 365 call center support, JHA Card Processing Solutions gives you the competitive edge you need to start saying yes to maximizing revenue, increasing cardholder acquisition, improving retention, minimizing risk, and expanding wallet share.